Good morning, children. Today, let us study about natural vegetation and wildlife. So, first of all, try to understand about natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation here means plants. Wildlife here means animals. It means flora and fauna. Our country, India, is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world. You know that 47,000 of plant species that can be seen in our country. 47,000 plant species, and India's 10th place in the world. India had 10th place in the world in these plant species, and 4th in Asia. And you know that there are 15,000 flowering plants that can be seen in our countries. Flowering plants, you can see the flowering plants, different flowering plants that can be seen in our country. 15,000. How many plant species you can see? 15,000 plant species that you can see in our country. And 6% of the world is from our contribution. It means that 6% of these flowering plants are from our country. In the world, totally, if we take the world, 6% that is from our country, India. And we can see non-flowering plants. First one, ferns. Non-flowering plants also you can see in our country, ferns. It is available in our surroundings also, these ferns. Next, algae. You can see algae, that non-flowering plants. Then fungi. You can see fungi. Other than this, you know that 90,000 species of animals that can be seen in our country. So you can see different kinds of animals, species of 90,000 species of animals that can be seen in our country. Rather than this, birds also you can see different kinds of birds also you can see in our country. Other than this, there will be rich variety of fish that you can see in the marine waters. You can see rich variety of fish. You can see different rich varieties of fish also you can see in our country. So our country that is grown in our country, that are grown naturally without any human aid and grow for a long time, that we can call it as virgin vegetation. Today what we studied that our country India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world, and 47,000 of plant species you can see in our country, and our country 10th place in the world about this plant species and 4th in Asia. And there are 15,000 flowering plants are there, 15,000 flowering plants that you can see, and 6% of the world these flowering plants from our contribution. And you know that non-flowering plants also you can see these non-flowering plants, that is ferns, then algae, then fungi, that you are considered as non-flowering plants, and 19,000 of species of animals that you can see in our country, and you can see the rich variety of fish that you can see. Rich variety of fish you can see. I hope that you understood about natural vegetation and wildlife, this part 1.